Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or enable notifications when you receive new followers on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into your Instagram account and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And you want to go down to where it says notifications and select that. And then you want to go underneath where it says following and followers. And if you want to be notified if you receive new followers, you would select on. Conversely, if you want to disable notifications for new followers, you would select off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.